Hello everybody. I know you students are eagerly waiting for this video, and this video is for the students who are really waiting for an opportunity to know what's next after graduation, what's next after my BTech. So here I am giving you some information, very useful information, because already you have got the announcement of GATE 2022. So just go to Google and you can type GATE 2022 and you have an official website. So you can just click on GATE 2022 official website. Okay. And this time, the GATE 2022, the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, is being organized by IIT Kharagpur. Okay. So this time, IIT Kharagpur is organizing this GATE 2022 competitive exam. So guys, let's quickly move on to the information bulletin. You can directly go into the download information. So in this download information, you have GATE 2022 information brochure and then GATE 2022 poster. So you may click on GATE 2022 poster. So we'll quickly move on to GATE 2022 poster. So as it is clearly mentioned, the organizing institute is IIT Kharagpur. Okay. As you're all aware of, GATE is a national examination which is jointly conducted by IISCs, Bangalore, and 7 IITs. Okay, but the organizing institute for this year will be IIT Kharagpur. Okay, so students who are eagerly waiting to get into admission process of your postgraduate program. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity for you all to crack this GATE 2022 and to come out with a good scorecard. So this time the eligibility, the candidate who is currently studying third year can also apply for GATE 2022, which is a good news to you all, or higher year of graduation, undergraduation degree, okay, or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering or technology or architecture, science, commerce, or arts. So all the graduates who have completed or who are pursuing can also come forward to attempt this GATE 2022 exam. Okay. And GATE 2022 examination selected cities and towns. For this information, you can go through the information bulletin. So you have all clear information there. Then coming to the GATE 2022 papers. Okay, so this time we have two new papers which have been included in this GATE 2022 papers, apart from other streams like geomatics engineering GE and naval architecture and marine engineering NM. Okay, and let me also bring to your kind notice that the GATE 2022 score will remain valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of results. Okay, you have a lot of opportunities eagerly waiting for the people who have cracked the GATE scorecard. Okay, a lot of government of sector jobs are also available for GATE score, and a lot of universities, reputed universities, if you want to join your MTech, they take this GATE 2022 scores card under consideration, and a lot of teaching professionals are also looking for GATE scorecards. So it's a very good opportunity to you. Then coming to the application fees, so there's no change in the application fees for SC, ST, and PWD's candidates. We have 750 rupees, and for all other candidates, we have 1500 rupees, right? And coming to the examination dates, so we have 4 dates which are mentioned, and so they have clearly mentioned the dates mentioned are liable to change because of COVID-19 situation. Due to the pandemic situation, there might be a change of the dates, so we can consider as of now these are the dates which are announced, like 5th, 6th February, 12th February, and 13th February. So you have to mark your calendar, block your schedules, and be prepared for these dates. And for online application filling and timelines, please take a printout of this and please note down these dates and again mark these dates. So opening date of online registration is Monday 30th August, which we have already done with, and closing date of regular online registration is 24th September. Please do not wait till the last date. So try to complete your registration process at the earliest. So end of extended period of online registration. So it is 1st October. Then announcement of results, which will be done on 17th March. Okay. So these are liable based on this dates which are given. So if there is any change, they'll anyhow update in the official website of the GATE 2022. So which is given here. So please, for any kind of updates and details, I request all the candidates to please go to the official website. And coming to the other information, right? If you want to know in the detailed information, you can go to the information browser, which is there in the download information option. So go through this browser and you could see the other details of GATE 2022, maybe the center's details or maybe the syllabus content, all that. So I'm quickly going to the GATE 2022 papers. So you can also download the syllabus to which stream you are preparing. For example, you are preparing for computer science and information technology, just click on it and you have a syllabus which is downloaded here. Yeah, this is the syllabus which is downloaded. So you can go through this. So in the detail, you'll have topic wise. So you have to mark your calendar now. So you cannot complete all the topics in a week or in a month. So you have to start working out. Okay. So maybe you have some 10 topics here. So now you have to decide. So as per the dates given, deadlines given, okay, you have to plan your preparation, guys. Okay. Anyhow, old question papers will be updated very soon, and exam cities are mentioned here. Okay, you can go through the exam cities based on your availability. You can mark the exam cities and eligibility criteria. You can go through the registration process. Eligibility criteria is given, and the other students apart from BTech, B Pharmacy, okay, then MBBS, MD, BDS, okay, MSc. So you have all students an open opportunity. So very clearly they have mentioned the eligibility criteria, and followed by two paper combinations. As you can also opt for two paper combination. Okay, then documents, which is more important. So please start preparing all these documents before you apply. Make sure you have all these documents available onto your system or laptop so that you can directly fill it online. And application fees, as mentioned, is also provided here, entire details. So for any further information, you can contact through their official website. Okay, and they have also given their email IDs and the numbers, so you can contact to the concerned center. So once again, I wish all the students a very good luck and have a great career. So please do not miss this opportunity. GATE 2022 is a very good opportunity for students who are getting into their higher education. So maybe there are multiple routes. So a few students after their BTech, they want to get into job sector. The other end, you can also plan for your GATE examination. Maybe the passed out students, or maybe the students who have recently passed out of their final years, or students who are pursuing their third year can also apply this time. Okay, so entire information is available onto the official website of uh, GATE 2022. I once again wish you all the good luck, and I also congratulate IIT Kharagpur for organizing this GATE 2022 competitive exam. So once again, I wish you all the good luck. Hope you all give your best in GATE 2022. Let's do it and let's crack it. Thank you all. Have a great day.